Alright, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to RJ's Boat Shack. As you can see, I picked up a blowtorch. I got some low temperature, no flux aluminum rods, and I'm just cleaning up where those rails on the back of the boat on the bottom were. So pretty quick and easy process, first time doing this, so didn't expect a masterpiece right out the gate, but you know, it got the job done. Nice and solid now, everything connected the right way. Also added some more of that flex seal to fill in some of the gaps. Gonna let that cure, but overall gonna be a big difference. So here's the boat, nice and solid. Painted over them. I'm gonna grind these down so just to have a good contrast point, make sure I didn't go too deep, and it's gonna make a big difference once they're sanded. And we also had a small dent that we identified earlier that we wanted to correct, so just a quick and easy process. Heat it up, hammer, block of wood. Really did the job well, helped. It was pretty noticeable, now you can barely tell. It is paint day. We bought some Rust-Oleum paint and a pretty basic economy set of brushes and rollers. And pretty much we're going to just start with the exterior. Everything came out really nice. Again, thick paint, so only one coat was needed. So roller did a pretty good job. We identified a couple of areas where we needed to do some touch-up work, so we're going to use a 2-inch brush there and just, you know, dab and do some spot treatment. So here it is, nice gloss, regular typical green. So here it is, all dry. Just going to flip it over and we're going to get started on the interior work. So first thing, just doing some tape, get some line work done for those top rails. Again, a contrast gray. So boat's pretty much 90% there underneath the seats. As you can see, I have to get in there. It's the biggest pain, is just being able to reach and get into the hull of the boat. But overall, big improvement from where we were at. Yeah, there's that spot I mentioned. So just getting in there, another 2-3 inch brush and dabbing some paint. And our transom came out really nice. Kept the manufacturer tag there, and then on the exterior, just once we flipped it over, saw a couple of more spots just to dab and touch up. So overall, long way from where it came from to, you know, being painted, and now it's ready to go.